Since it's refused to spin, it's had higher water level. Usually it's an absorbent load when it's like this, but obviously it's not spun, which means a deeper winds. So I'm pretty happy with this water level. This is the first wince, so hopefully if it does spin it might go ballistic with a puking if it'll spin, but we'll find out sooner or later. Good wash action. There we go. Let's see what it does. Well, it's balanced her. And I think there's enough sub for puking, but we'll find out. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I want people watching my long form content now, you know. A little bit of a fill there. Always does that. Hopefully it will spin. Looks fairly balanced. That looks balanced enough for spin. Should spin this. Should spin. Drain for it to spin. There we go. Is it gonna puke? Here we go. It's decided against it. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed there. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed it didn't puke. Never mind. There's always another time.